How to play audio through two devices on Windows 11. So if you want to play audio through two devices on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is just go with your settings at first. Under your settings, you need to go with System. Now under System, go with Sound. And here you need to select the initial device. Once you've selected the initial device from here, that's one pair, right? Now you need to go with the other one. You need to scroll down, go with more sound settings, and you'll get this kind of interface. Now just simply go with the recording tab, and here you will have the other device that you've connected. So you just need to simply right click on it. For example, I'll choose this microphone option. Just right click on it, and then you will have an option of show disabled devices. Just go with it. And once you go with show disabled devices, now here you will have the stereo mix. So you just need to simply click on it and go with properties. Now under properties, you can go with use this device and enable it and apply an OK. Once you've done this, you can just go with the device, the other initial device. In my case, I'll just choose microphone. Go with properties, and under properties, you need to go with listen option. Now under listen, you need to go with listen to this device, select that, and then go with playback through this device. Go with the drop down and select your initial device. Once you've selected, you need to go with apply and OK. And after that, you'll be able to play audio through two devices. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.